Hello and welcome to Overdrive. I'm David Land. We're here at Masterpiece Classic Cars. We're going to check out a lot of cool classic cars today. So let's go inside and check it out. Masterpiece Classic Cars has a wide selection of cars. We love the setup of the place and the clean, not crowded showroom. The place also has a great 1950s vibe. We spoke to Lanny Wilhelm, owner of Masterpiece Classic Cars, to tell us more about this place.
We opened our business about 2 weeks ago, and we specialize in collector cars, vintage cars, and special interest cars like Mustang convertibles and Camaros and those type of vehicles. Our plans is to have around 100 cars in our inventory. We currently have around 45 right now, and when we get up to full production, we'll have 100 or more in our inventory. And we own a good portion of these cars. We do take consignment vehicles, and we currently have a number of consignments coming in into our location over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're open from 9 to 6, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturday, and we certainly encourage people to come in, visit our showroom. We have an old-time cafe that we always have popcorn and food and drinks, and certainly we like to have a place that's fun for the whole family to visit. But again, our company, we just opened basically 2 weeks ago, and we're looking forward to some great things here in the Whiteland area with our new business. So please feel free to stop in, bring your friends, and enjoy the beautiful collector cars that we have in our showroom.
We love the cars here, and the employees were very helpful. I would suggest checking this place out. We hope you've enjoyed our tour of Masterpiece Classic Cars. For Overdrive, this has been David Land.